Hi everybody, this is Tanya from Tanya's Tarot, and I'm really glad to be making this video with keeping you in mind. This is a reading for Aries for the week of 21st Sunday, February. 21st February Sunday, and the first card that we have got is the Devil card, and it's actually upside down. So what does that mean? It means that you are actually addicted to a few things and you have a codependent relationship. You're not able to see what you're going wrong with. You keep doing the same thing again and again. And the Devil card basically shows that since it's a reverse, it's a hopeful situation. It's a positive outcome that will come up from this situation. You will be able to see where you're going wrong, what your flaws are, and what you're avoiding by forming a thought pattern and doing the same things again and again. What exactly is the issue here? What are you trying to avoid? So you will be able to come out of this addictive pattern, but it will take a lot of effort and self introspection and meditation. So you will need to realize that this is not a permanent situation, although it can seem, because it's a major arcana, it can seem like the Devil card is a major arcana card, so that means that it's having a huge effect on your life having a huge effect on your life in different areas, and it's going to stay for a while. It's a cycle that is going to play itself out and it's going to stay that way. Now the next card for the Aries is King of Cups. King of Cups is basically somebody who's very romantic, who has very strong feelings but doesn't show his feelings much, and he doesn't get affected by even the most turbulent waters around him. He's a peace-loving, family guy, easygoing, gives good advice. Sometimes he's abusive and attacks people in his relationships, but says that it's not a big deal, or he's not done that. The King of Cups is basically for the water element. He's owning the water element, and he has a lot of authority. He helps people to achieve their goals, and he's very much in flow of nature. He's creative, he's artistic, and he's there to give you a hand when you need his help. The next card that we have got is the Moon card. Third card, the Moon card. This card basically is telling you that you are hiding a lot of things in your subconscious mind, and आप दूसरों को कुछ बताते नहीं है जो आप actually feel करते हैं और आपके दिमाग में जो बात चल रही है. You are afraid of getting rejected. You're afraid of being taken care of, being taken advantage of. And that is why what happens is that this Moon card is telling you that you have too many skeletons in the cupboard. You need to release those skeletons. You need to let go of your issues and past karma and start a new life, a beautiful life, a fresh, completely in tune with nature. So the Moon card is telling you that trust your feelings, don't hide and be ashamed of things too much. There's nothing to be ashamed of. It's just a darkness in our subconscious which makes us self-conscious. So you need to take care of your emotions. You need to be more creative, and share your feelings with other people and let them see that you will be okay with they share their feelings with you too. So not too much hide and seek going on, and treasure hunt as to realize what you're thinking or feeling. That can be made clear by you so that you can move one step ahead of the moon, the moon cycle. So this is the reading for Aries for the week of 21st February, Sunday. If you liked my reading, please let me know. You can leave a comment, you can subscribe or like my video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay then, bye.